and do sensitive thoughts right now. Don't want me to put breaking dishes from Rihanna. I assume. So look again. There's only this. I can't even scroll in it. The thing is working, Cursor is working. As you might have seen, it was all the time like this before. All the freaking time for absolutely everything. Everything was doing was like some roadblocks, some this doesn't work and this doesn't work and this and then this. But now my IT is working. The level of harassment is different though, because there are the memories that are linked to what I feel. Otherwise, if it would be just new, I guess that would be all right. Oh, the cat is back. The cat is back. So it's all the time like this as well. Like gets back and this and that, and like with some fear impulse, like feeling like here that it was like like some type of pain somehow, like something visceral. So I guess that they like as well to eviscerate people, which is not a guess. It's like I know. And so when I look at Rihanna, like it's like there are several tracks from her, but the numbers are going up everywhere, but I can't find her channel with this track specifically. I think, let's see, Man Down. She says in this track that she killed a rapist who wanted to attack the child of one of her friends, and so she killed him in public. The fellas know I'm a dime. It's up to me with a line. They can't believe a girl as cute as me and sick with the rhyme. Come on, my own decisions. I don't want no opinions. Killers, serial killers, super intrusive. It's the queen sitting here and I don't stop. Don't buy from them. Ow, 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 ow.